Think your Chevy's transmission issues mean a big repair bill? Hold on, not so fast. In this video, I'll show you 5 easy ways to reset your transmission control module, TCM. These are simple, do-it-yourself tips that could save you a lot of money. Resetting the TCM can fix problems like rough shifting and warning lights. No need for a mechanic. Watch until the end. The 5th method is the most effective one. If the first methods don't work, don't worry. We'll get your Chevy running smoothly again. Welcome to Globally Cars. Method number 1. Resetting the TCM. On, Chevy is the hard reset. The first way to reset the TCM on your Chevy is called a hard reset. All you need is your car key and the gas pedal. This method is easy and can help your transmission shift more smoothly, especially if you've had rough or strange gear changes. Here's what to do. First, turn your key to the on position, but don't start the engine. Then, press the gas pedal all the way down and hold it there for about 15 seconds. While you're holding the pedal down, turn the ignition off. After that, let go of the gas pedal and wait about 5 minutes before starting your Chevy again. Once you restart it, take a short drive and see how the gear shifts feel. They should be smoother and quicker. If the shifting still feels off, don't worry. There's another method coming up that might fix the problem. Method number 2. Removal method. Here's how to reset the TCM on your Chevy by removing a fuse. It's fast, simple, and won't mess with any other electronics. Let's get started. Step 1. Turn off your vehicle completely. Make sure the ignition is off, and if you use a key, remove it. Step 2. Find the fuse box. Most Chevys have one under the dashboard and another under the hood. If you're not sure where it is, check your owner's manual. Step 3. Locate the TCM fuse. This can be different depending on your Chevy model, so double-check the manual or the diagram on the fuse box cover. Step 4. Carefully pull out the TCM fuse. You can use your fingers, needle nose pliers, or a fuse puller if you have one. Step 5. Wait for 5 to 10 minutes. This gives the TCM time to fully reset and clear old settings. Step 6. Put the fuse back in the same spot and make sure it's firmly in place. Step 7. Start up your Chevy and go for a short drive. Pay attention to how it shifts. You should notice smoother and quicker gear changes. Before we jump into the 3rd method, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I'll give you a second. Done? Awesome. Let's keep going. Method number 3. Battery disconnect. Here's how you can reset the TCM on your Chevy by disconnecting the battery. It's an easy method and can really help fix shifting problems if it's right for your vehicle. Just follow these steps. Step 1. Make sure the car is completely off. Also turn off anything else that's running, like the lights, radio, or AC, so there's no power being used when you reconnect later. Step 2. Pop the hood and find the battery. Use a wrench to loosen and remove the negative cable first. Then, remove the positive cable. Move both cables away from the battery to avoid any accidental contact. Step 3. Leave the battery disconnected for at least 30 minutes. This gives the TCM and other electronic parts enough time to fully drain their stored power. It's basically like doing a full power reset, helping clear out old transmission data. Step 4. Reconnect the battery. But this time, start with the positive cable first, then the negative. This helps avoid any sparks. Step 5. Start your Chevy and take it for a short drive. Pay attention to how the gears shift. Most people notice smoother and quicker shifting after doing this. Method number 4. Direct disconnection. Here's how to reset the transmission control module, TCM, on your Chevy by disconnecting it directly. This method is a bit more hands-on, but can give you a deeper reset if you're comfortable finding the TCM yourself. First, disconnect the battery to stay safe. You don't want any power running while you're working. Next, locate the TCM. In most Chevy models, it's found in the engine bay on the driver's side. On older models, it might be closer to the transmission itself. Once you find the TCM, carefully unplug its power and data cables. Be gentle, as the connectors are delicate. Leave the TCM unplugged for a few minutes to make sure all stored data fully clears out. After that, plug the cables back into the TCM, reconnect the battery, and make sure everything is secure. Finally, start up your Chevy and take it for a drive to see if the transmission feels smoother. Method number 5. TCM resetting with scanner. The final way to reset your Chevy's TCM is by using an OBD2 scanner. If you have access to one, it can fully reset the TCM and clear any stored error codes. I've also dropped a link in the description if you need to pick one up. Step 1. Find the diagnostic port. It's usually under the dashboard on the driver's side, though it might be in a slightly different spot, depending on your model. Step 2. Plug the OBD2 scanner into the port. Once it's connected, turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. This will power up the scanner. Step 3. Use the scanner's menu to find the TCM reset option. It might be listed under Transmission or Modules. If you're not sure where to look, check your scanner's manual for guidance on how to find the Reset or Clear Codes function. Step 4. Select the Reset option. This will clear all error codes stored in the TCM and do a full reset, helping the system relearn and adjust to your driving habits. Step 5. Once the reset is done, start your Chevy and take it for a short drive. You should notice smoother and quicker gear shifts now that the TCM has been recalibrated. Wondering about the cost of replacing a TCM? Let's talk about the cost of TCM resetting. Replacing a TCM typically costs between $500 and $1,000. Parts alone can run from $200 to $700, while labor usually adds another $100 to $300, depending on your Chevy model and local labor rates. Some vehicles also require special programming after replacement, which can increase the total cost. Refurbished TCMs can save you money, but may come with limited warranties. And that's it. You now know 5 different ways to reset your Chevy's TCM. These simple DIY methods can help you fix shifting problems without facing big repair bills. Give them a try, and if the issue still isn't fixed, there are still other options to explore.